In last class we have discussed up to question number 2. Today we will solve the remaining question. We have 3 remaining question. We will try to solve all the questions. So moving on to question number 3. See question number 3. What has been given in question number 3? Pick up question number 3. Pick out the solution from the given bracket. You have given bracket and you have to find next question to it so the other values do not satisfy, and you have to also so that the other value doesn't satisfy, you have to find the solution from the given bracket and you have to also show that the other value doesn't satisfy. So first question is a equals to 5, m equals to 60, and in the bracket the given values are 10, 5, 12, 15. I am writing some questions and after that we will solve all the questions. So A, B is n plus 12 equals to 20. Value are 12, 8, 20, 0. C is P minus 5 equals to 5 and 0, 10, 5 minus 5. D is Q upon 2 equals to 7, 7, 2, 10, 14, and I am taking E and one question I am leaving. R minus 4 equals to 0 and 4 minus 4, 8, 0. So, see, first question is 5m equals to 60 and you have to take value in the place of m equals to 10, 5, 12 and 15. So, see, when solution take when m equals to 10, when m will be equals to 10, then LHS will be 5 into 10, that will be 50, and RHS equals to 60. So LHS equals to not RHS. So m equals to 10 is not solution. Similarly, take 5, m equals to 5, LHS will be 5 into 5 equals to 25, RHS equals to 60. Same thing will come. LHS not equals to RHS, so m equals to 5 is not. So what if you will write here? You will write LHS not equals to RHS, so m equals to 5 is not solution. Similarly, moving, taking m equals to 12, so LHS will be 5 into 12, that will be 60, RHS will be 60. So LHS equals to RHS. So here LHS equals to RHS, so m equals to 12 is a solution. So m equals to 12 is solution of the given equation. Similarly, you do taking m equals to 15, LHS will be 5 into 15, 75, RHS equals to 60. So LHS not equals to RHS. So m equals to 15 is not solution of the equation. So question number third A we have done. Now moving to B. Third B. What question is given? C. n equals to 12 equals to 20. See, B question is n plus 12 equals to 20, and your value is 12, 8, 20, 0. So, taking n equals to 12, LHS will be 12 plus 12, 24, and RHS is 20. So, LHS not equals to RHS. So LHS not equals to RHS. So n is equals to 12 is not solution of equation. Similarly, taking n equals to 8, so LHS will be 8 plus 12, that will be 20. RHS equals to 20. So LHS equals to RHS. So n equals to 8 is solution of the equation. Similarly, taking n equals to 20, n equals to 20, LHS will have 20 plus 8, 20 plus 12, that will be 32, and RHS will 20. So LHS not equals to RHS, and write the remaining. Take n equals to 0, n equals to 0, LHS equals to 12 and RHS equals to 20. LHS not equals to RHS. So for this B, solution is n equals to 8. Now moving to next. Question number B we have done. Now moving to question number C. P minus 5 equals to 5 and 0, 10, 5 minus 5. We have given value. Let P equals to 0. LHS will be 0 minus 5 minus 5 and RHS equals to 5. So LHS not equals to RHS. So P equals to, P equals to 0 is not solution of the equation. Now P equals to 10, P equals to 10, LHS will be 10 minus 5 equals to 5, RHS equals to 5. So LHS equals to RHS. So P equals to 10 is solution of the equation. Similarly, taking P equals to 5, LHS will be 5 minus 5, 0. RHS is 5. LHS not equals to RHS. So P equals to 5 is not solution of the equation. Now take P equals to minus 5. P equals to minus 5, LHS equals to minus 5 minus 5. That will be minus 10 and RHS equals to 5. So LHS not equals to RHS. So P equals to minus 5 is not solution of the equation. So question number C we have completed. Now moving on, question number D. Question number D is Q upon 2 equals to 7. In question number D, Q upon 2 equals to 7. D question you see Q upon 2 equals to 7 and in the bracket number are 7, 2, 10, 14. So let Q equals to 7. What will be LHS? LHS will be 7 upon 2. And RHS equals to 7. So here LHS not equals to RHS. What we have? LHS not equals to RHS. So Q equals to 7 is not Q equals to 7 is not solution of the equation. Similarly, let Q equals to 2, LHS 2 upon 2 equals to 1, RHS equals to 7. So again same, LHS equals to not RHS and write Q equals to 2 is not solution of the equation. Now taking Q equals to 10. So LHS will be 10 upon 10 and 2 equals to 5 and RHS 7. So again here LHS value is 5 and RHS value is 7. So LHS not equals to RHS. So Again q equals to 10 is not solution of the equation. Now moving on, q equals to 14, LHS will be 14 upon 2, that is 7, and RHS 7. So LHS equals to RHS. So LHS equals to RHS. So what you will write? So q equals to 14 is solution of the equation. Now moving to question number E. What is question number E? See. Question number E. R minus 4 equals to 0. R minus 4 equals to 0 and 4 minus 4 8 0 we have given. So we have to check this equation at given value, that is 4 minus 4 8 and 0. Take let R equals to 4. LHS will be 4 minus 4 equals to 0. RHS equals to 0. So LHS equals to RHS. So R equals to 4 is solution of the equation. What is R equals 4 is the solution of the equation. Now take R equals to minus 4. LHS will be minus 4, that will be minus 8, and RHS equals to 0. So LHS not equals to RHS. So R equals to minus 4 is not solution of the equation. Similarly, you take R equals to 8, LHS will be 8 minus 4 equals to 4. RHS equals to 0. What conclusion you will write here? LHS not equals to RHS. Now take R equals to 0. R equals to 0, LHS will be 0 minus 4, RHS equals to 0, LHS not equals to RHS. So here we have solved 5 equations, and each and every equation we are having only one value, that is satisfying the given condition. So what we can conclude, that an equation having a particular type of solution, so it will have only one solution. So in this equation n plus 12, which value is satisfying 8, another value, you take any another value in place of n, that will not satisfy. Similarly in C, when you will take p equals to 10, then it is satisfied. Other when you are taking another value, it will be not satisfied. Similarly in D, you see this will happen. So what we can say, that an equation has a particular type of solution. Now we will move to question number 3. What is question number 3? See. Question number 3 we have done. Now question number 4. Complete the table and following instruction find the table of the solution. We have given here, we have four tables. Out of these I will do two. I am taking A and C. Table A. This is table A. M plus n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to this is mentioned n3. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, we have to write here, and you have to find m plus n. M plus n equals to 16. What is the value of n? Now by this table we will find n. Moving to table number C. see what data has been given in table number C. Z upon 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and we have 4 dash. 2 upon 2 upon 3, 3, 3, 1 upon 3. And Z upon 3 equals to 4. Here Z upon 3 equals to 4. We have to find the value. Now, see, when m plus 10, 1 plus 10, it will be 11. 1 plus 2 plus 10, 12. 3 plus 10, 13. 4 plus 10, 14. 5 plus 10, 15. 6 plus 10, 16. 7 plus 10, 17. 8 plus 10, 18. 9 plus 10, 19. 10 plus 10, 28. Now here fill in the blank. So what will come? 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. Now 11 plus 10, that will be 21. And 12 plus 10, that will be 22. 13 plus 10, that will be 23. So we have completed the table, but in question we have to find m plus 10 equals to 16. So m plus 10 equals to 16, this value. So what is the corresponding value of where we are getting 60? When we are getting 16, we are getting 60 when n equals to 6. So what will be the solution? Here n will be 6. What will be the solution of equation? The solution of equation will be n equals to 6. You put LHS. LHS 6 plus 10 equals to 16. So RHS equals to 16. So m equals to 6. This is the solution. Now here 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. Now you have to divide Z. The value of Z is from 8 to 20, and you have to find in lower table, you have to divide Z upon 3. So up to 10 have been given. Now when you will divide 11 by 3, you will get 3, and you have to write in reciprocal form, in mixed fraction. What? In mixed fraction. When you divide 12 by 3, you will get 4. Now 4, 1 upon 3, 4, 2 upon 3, 5, 5, 1 upon 3, 5, 2 upon 3, 6, 6, 1 upon 3, 6, 2 upon 3. Now you have to find Z equals to 4. So Z upon 3 equals to 4. Where is? It is here. And what is the corresponding value of Z? Here Z value equals to 12. So what will be the value of Z? Here value of Z will be 12. So remaining two questions do by yourself. Now moving on to question number 5. Solve the riddles. You may construct such riddles. So read. Therefore, again I will solve 2. So taking question number 1. Go around a square. Count every corner. Thrice no more. Add to me count. You to get exactly 4. Read the question carefully, because it is riddle and you have to give answer very carefully. So read it once again.